What's up guys, this is Harshal and welcome back to the video. In this video, we will learn how to crack Wi-Fi passwords using command prompt in Windows. But this trick works only if the network is at least one connected to your system without you knowing the password of the network. That is, either it might be connected by the owner not telling you the password or by pressing the WPS button on the router. So let's get started to learn how to crack the Wi-Fi password. Open the command prompt, type the command as netsh wlan show profile and hit enter. You will see all the network's name that your system might be connected with once at a time. So now check for the network for which you want to get the password for. For in my case, I am connected to this don't try to connect me Wi-Fi. Here in this terminal, you will see don't try to connect me network. So I want to get the password for this. Okay. So type the command as netsh wlan show profile name equals and give the name of the network for which you want to get the password. I want the password for this network as don't try to connect me. So just copy it and paste it in the double quotes and then continue the command with key equals clear and hit enter. So as you hit enter, you will find all the information about this network as profile information, connectivity settings, security settings, and cost settings. So it will tell you the information as what version it is. It is a version 1. What type of network this is. This is a wireless LAN network. What is the name of the network? What authentication this network uses. That is WPA2. Then and at the end of the security settings, you will find the key content where you will find the password for the Wi-Fi. So for in my case, the password is HarshalHK@07K. So if you wanna confirm that this is the password for this don't try to connect me network, I'll show you. I'm connected to this network. I'm clicking and I'm forgetting the network. The password is HarshalHK@07K. So HarshalHK@07K. And you can see I've typed the same password HarshalHK@07K and I'm pressing next. And you can see the Wi-Fi is connected for me and now you can browse whatever you want. I'll show you if it works or not. So and you can see it is perfectly working. So if you face any problem executing those commands, please comment down in the comment section. I will definitely help you out. If you're loving the content, please hit the like button and subscribe guys. What are you doing? There are 74% people who are not subscribed to my channel but they're viewing my content. If you're loving the content, please subscribe and support me guys. Thank you.